Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTrader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is continuously moving upside. Okay, and if you look at this particular pattern, it is trying to go higher. See, as I've clearly explained you that whenever it is going a new high, it made a fall. Okay, and this fall is quite good, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, now if you look at this particular pattern is being formed since 2008, and from there, see, this is the particular pattern from 2010 to 2020. That is where we have seen this level 2020. Okay, and after that these similar patterns has formed for 2 years, 8 months, and this is how it was going from this period of time. Okay, as soon as it breakout happens at this particular level, I have clearly told you 2-3 times that this is a buying situation, this is a buying situation. Okay, and when it started moving upside at this level, there is a clear indication, because this is an all-time high and chances was very high it will go make a new high. Probability is very high, because see, it was made after a very long time, so chances was very high it will go further upside. And once started going higher, I have clearly explained you that there is a higher chance of going upside. See, it went at this level. After that, there's a buying situation coming at this particular level, 2184. I have explained you in my previous videos, and see, it was continuously moving upside, made a half around 2431, and then it came down because profit booking has come at this level. Again, from a swing, went upside, made a new high at a level of 2456, and again the profit booking comes. After that, this zone breakout happens. We have seen there is a continuous upside, and higher probability was high, because see, the pre-election is this the situation, okay, where we have seen the gold price has moved upside, and when it made a new high, if you look at this doji candle is trying to form at this particular level. Okay, and then a profit booking has come at this level. First it was around 2686 high, and then it came down again a little, and then it moved upside a higher at a level of around 2790. This is what we have seen, and then a continuous downfall to a level of around 2531. Okay, this is a good fall we have seen, and so you can say and consider that there is a higher chances that this is can be a high for quite some time. Because if you look at this particular trend also, see, this is a good fall we have seen, but after that it came again, and again a good fall we have seen. So there is a probability that if started sustaining above a level of 2689, okay, then a probability of further upside we can see, and chances of crossing a level of 2720 will be there, because this level is already being tested, this resistance, and it can go towards 2750 and can make a new all-time high also, and can cross this particular level. Okay, and looking at this particular chart, chances are high, yes, it can go further upside till the time it is not going below a level of 2604. And once started falling below 2604, a further downfall we can see. Before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Now let's look at the dollar index, so you will see how the price of dollar index started. Dollar index, I've clearly indicated you and told you that as soon as the price started hitting above a level of 102, a further upside movement we can see, and when the price started going higher, we can see it will go further upside, and it has crossed a level of around $108. Okay, and chances can be high it can go further upside if the price keep moving above a level of 106.5. Okay, and if the price started going upside, we can see there will be a further higher chances. Okay, but suppose if the price then sustain, we can see it can come down again towards 105.4, and if that level goes further low, we level of 104.7. Okay, two things that you have to keep it in mind, that as soon as the price started going above a level of 106.5, we can see there will be a higher chances it will go further upside, and it can cross a level of $107.2, and from there it can cross a level of 108. Okay, and then there will be a chances it can go further upside. When I say that the dollar has started going upside, then the gold price will come down. Okay, because they are inversely related. Okay, once the price started falling below 106.5, then it can go towards 106, and once started falling below this level, chance of touching 104.8 will be there, and from there it can go towards 103.5, and once started falling below 103.5, chances of going towards 102 will be there, and then a further fall. So if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will come up. Back on the gold price, what we can see, as I've clearly indicated you, that there is a higher chances it can go further upside. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards $2673. Okay, and if the price started going above this level, a probability of crossing a level of 2686 will be there. Okay, and then if the price keep moving above a level of 2686, then it can cross a level of $2716, and from there a level of around $2722. Okay, and once the price moving above that particular zone, we can see a level of 2746, and if that sustain, a further high we can see towards a level of $2756. Okay, and once the price moving over a level of 2756, it will cross a level of around $2786, and then there will be a zone breakout will happen, and because it is an all-time high, so we can see it will go further upside. Remember that as soon as the price started going over 2786, we can see it can go further upside. So trail your SL by $5. Okay, or when the volatility is high, by $10, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. So it can go towards 2800, and then to a level of 2820, to a level of 2850 also. So if you trail your SL, if the volatility is low, you can trail by 5. If the volatility is high, trail by $10, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around 2637. Okay, and suppose if it started falling below that particular level, it will cross a level of 2600, because this level is already been weak, so chances of falling below this particular level will be there, and then it can go towards 2585. Okay, and then if the price started falling below 2585, chances of touching a level of 2567 will be there, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards $2548. Okay, suppose if the price started falling below 2548, then we can see a level of 2533, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see towards a level of $2487, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of around 2451, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards $2423. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakouts of further downfall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.